Hey there, moneymakers. Today I'm going to share the absolute laziest way to start earning $100 or more per day online. No experience needed, no fancy skills required, just a bit of your time and an internet connection. Sound too good to be true? Well, stick around because I'm about to blow your mind. Now before we dive in, let me be clear, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a legitimate method that takes a little effort to set up. But once you're rolling, it's smooth sailing. Ready? Let's go. The secret sauce, affiliate marketing with low competition, high-paying products. But here's the twist. We're focusing on digital products in the lazy lifestyle niche. Think ebooks, courses, and software that promise to make life easier. Step 1. Choose your platform. We're going the easiest route possible, so forget about building websites. We're hitting up YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Why? Because short-form video is king right now, and the algorithms love pushing new creators. Step 2. Find your products. Head over to ClickBank or JVZoo and search for digital products in categories like e-business, self-help, or productivity. Look for products with high gravity, that means they're selling well, and juicy commissions. Aim for at least 50% commission rates. Step 3. Create lazy content. Here's where it gets fun. You're going to make super short videos. We're talking 15 to 60 seconds, showcasing the benefits of these products. But remember, we're keeping it lazy. Some ideas: screen record yourself using the product, share a quick tip from an ebook, or show before and after results. Use stock footage if needed. The key is to tease the value without giving everything away. Always end with a call to action to check out your link in the bio. Step 4. Rinse and repeat. Post 3 to 5 of these quick videos daily across your platforms. It might take 30 minutes of your day, tops. The more you post, the more chances you have to make sales. Now, let's talk numbers. If you're promoting a $100 product with a 50% commission, you only need to make 2 sales a day to hit that $100 mark. With the reach of short-form video, that's totally doable, even for beginners. But here's the real kicker. Once you've created these videos, they keep working for you. That's passive income, baby. So there you have it, folks. The laziest way to start making $100 or more per day online. No hard selling, no complicated funnels, just quick, easy content that points people to valuable products. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more lazy money-making tips. And hey, drop a comment letting me know what you think of this method. Are you going to give it a try? Until next time, stay lazy and stay profitable.